Welcome back to my channel. Now we go to the problems. Before that we shall recall how to define 1, 1 and 2. One thing about it, in f of x, what about x? X belongs to domain of the function. Total f of x, it belongs to range function. 1, 1, or it is also called injective function. A function f from a to b is said to be 1, 1 or injective if f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2 for every x1, x2 belongs to a set A domain. Alternative definition, x1 is not equal to x2 implies that f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 for every x1, x2 belongs to set A. Next one, onto function, or it is also called a surjective function. A function f from a to b is said to be onto if for every y belongs to b, b means codomain, there exists an element x in a domain such that f of x equal to y onto function, or alternatively range function equal to codomain. Here codomain is b, then we say that function is onto. Onto means you have to go for codomain. For every element of the codomain there exists at least one pre-image element in domain, then it is called onto. Or range function equal to codomain means it is onto function. Next to bijective means a function which is both 1, 1 and onto, then it is called bijective. Now go to the problem. A function, show that the modulus function f from R to R given by f of x equal to modulus of x is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Important for 2 marks. Prove that this modulus function is not 1, 1 and not onto. So clearly this function domain is real number, codomain is real number. What about the range of the function? Here modulus of x means clearly this is non-negative, cannot be negative. Positive real numbers are 0 but cannot be negative numbers. Therefore range function equal to non-negative real numbers. Correct. Shall prove that it is not 1, 1 not onto means for not proving we have to take particular elements, prove that it is not 1, 1 not onto. First proving it is not 1, 1 here. General elements here I am taking here. Domain is R, codomain is R. Suppose here if you take 2 minus 2 or 1 minus 1. Here 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Real number means it is an infinite set. Just I am taking some elements. Suppose here x equal to 2 here, f of 2. Modulus of 2. Modulus of 2 is positive 2. And x equal to minus 2 if you take here. F of minus 2. Here modulus of minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is plus 2. Here 2 domain element, this is range element. This is domain element, range element. Here 2 is mapping with 2. Here minus 2 is mapping with 2. Here you can say that 2 and minus 2 have the same image element 2. Therefore it is not 1, 1. 1, 1 means different elements of the domain are mapping with different elements of the codomain. But clearly from the figure 2 and minus 2 have the same image element 2. Therefore it is not 1, 1. Suppose if you take 1 and minus 1, f of 1 modulus of 1, 1 minus 1, f of minus 1 modulus of minus 1 plus 1. 1 is mapping with 1, minus 1 is mapping with 1. These two elements have the same image element 1, therefore it is not 1, 1. Take either 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1 or any other real numbers, we can prove that it is not 1, 1. So clearly f of 2 equal to f of minus 2 equal to, therefore f of 2 equal to f of minus 2 equal to 2. Means f of x1 equal to f of x2 for m. But what about domain elements here? 2 is equal to minus 2. Is it true? Not true. But 2 is not equal to minus 2. Therefore, f is not 1. Prove that it is not onto means, see, range function contains here non-negative real numbers. Non-negative, all real numbers except non-negative real numbers. You take any one negative real number in the codomain. Prove that it is not onto. Mind it, onto means you have to go for codomain. If codomain is R, every element of the codomain, there exists at least one pre-image element, then it is called an onto function. Mind it. Now I am taking simple one. If you take minus 2 or minus 3 you can take. It's very wish. Now minus 3 belongs to in codomain. Belongs to our codomain. And f of x, this is range, f of x equal to take minus codomain element. Here f of x equal to modulus of x equal to minus 3. Say we know that modulus of x means non-negative, positive or 0. But here we have modulus of x equal to negative means this is not possible. This is not possible. X you take any real number will not get your range value minus 3 because it is non-negative. Therefore, finally statement for minus 3 belongs to R, codomain, there does not exist its p-image element. An element x in domain. Domain is R here. Such that f of x equal to modulus of x equal to minus 3. Therefore, f is not onto. Mind it. For minus 3 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist a pre-image element x in our domain such that f of x equal to modulus of x equal to minus 3. Here x you take any real number, it will not get minus 3. Got it? For satisfying this condition, here x value, this x value in domain does not exist. There is no value of x in domain for satisfying this condition. Therefore, it is not onto. There it is not 1 1, not onto means hence it is neither 1 1 nor onto. Hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. See, for proving it is not 1 1, take two real numbers, same real numbers with opposite signs. Here plus 2 means minus 2. Suppose here 3 means here minus 2, take like that. F of 2 equal to 2, f of minus 2, here modulus of minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, f of 2 equal to f of minus 2 equal to 2. Here f of x1 equal to f of x2, but here x1 is not equal to x2. 2 is not equal to minus 2. Therefore, it is not 1 1. So clearly, it is not onto. It is not onto. Take any negative real number, prove that it is not onto. Here minus, instead of minus you can take minus 2, minus 1, minus 2.5. Here. For minus 3 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist an element x in our domain such that f of x equal to modulus of x equal to minus 3. Therefore, it is not onto. Well, it is not 1 1 not onto means hence it is neither 1 1 nor onto. Now we go for the next problem, 11th problem. Show that the signum function f from R to R given by f of x equal to, here we range, we have three values here. 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0, is neither 1 1 nor onto. Zener function defined like this here. Domain is real number, codomain is real number. Function defined like this. F of x equal to here plus 1. If x greater than 0, you take any number 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. You will get range value f of x equal to 1. At x equal to 0, here f of x value 0. X less than 0 means negative real numbers. You take any negative numbers. Then here we get range value minus 1. So clearly here range function equal to 1, 0, minus 1. It contains only 3 elements. But here codomain means real number, mind it. Here domain equal to real number. Codomain equal to real number. Infinite set. Here range equal to clearly finite set. It contains only 3 elements. Prove that it is not 1, 1, not onto. Important for 2 marks. For proving it is not means take particular elements, then prove that here. So x greater than 0 means greater than 0 you take 1, 2, 3 like that. Then what about clearly range value 1? This means suppose here x equal to 1 here. Here x equal to 1 means 1 which is greater than 0. 1 greater than 0, then f value 1. Or x equal to 2. 2 is greater than 0, then f of 2 value 1. Suppose 3 is greater than 0, then f of 3 value 1. Like that. Or you can take negative numbers here. See, here you can take like this, any number greater than 0 numbers here, domain values. Then what about range values? Same here. Here if you take, this is domain, codomain. Here domain elements 1, 2, 3, so on infinite. Here range value 1. 1 is mapping with 1. 2 is mapping with 1. 3 is mapping with 1. And if you take 4 is mapping with 1 like that. Correct. What about these elements have the same image element 1 means clearly it is not 1, 1. 1, 1 means different elements of the domain are mapping with different elements. But here 4 elements from the figure mapping with same element 1. Therefore it is not 1, 1. Got it here. Take 1 or f of 1. So here given that f from R to R defined as f of x equal to here 1 if x greater than 0, 0 if x equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. Now f of 1. Here what about 1 is greater than 0? 1 is greater than 0 means f of 1 equal to what means 1. Here domain value greater than 0, range equal to 1. F of 2. Here 2 is greater than 0, correct. Then range value what? Range value here 1. Take n of 2 here. Here clearly f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. Therefore f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. Here f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2. Domains are equal means it is 1, 1. Here two ranges are equal. What about domain here? 1 and 2. 1 is not equal to 2. 1 equal to 2 means it is 1, 1. 1 is not equal to 2 means therefore f is not 1. Second, prove that it is not onto. Range contains only 3 elements here. Mind it. But here codomain is real number. Range function equal to codomain means then function is onto. Not means not onto like that. Here, first two method here. Range function. Range of f contains only 3 elements. 1, 0, minus 1. What about here codomain? This is codomain here. Real number. Real number means it is an infinite set, but a range function finite set. It contains only 3 elements. It contains infinite number of cells, not equal. Range function is not equal to codomain means it is not onto. Easy method. It is not onto. An alternative method. Other than these 3 elements in codomain, take any element, prove that it is not onto. alternative method, last problem method. Other than this, you can take 2, 2.5, or you can take 5, 5.5, or negative numbers -2, -3, like that. Other than these three numbers, suppose direct line writing statement. Suppose for 5 where it takes in codomain, very important. For 5 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist an element x in a domain R, x in R domain, such that f of x equal to 5. Therefore, f is not onto. Don't get confusion. Here f of x equal to here 5 range element 5, -3, -2, take any number, or -1, 0, like that. Only range element. Suppose here negative number -2 means it is mapping with -1. Here 0 means it is mapping with 0. Domain element, you take any element, but range element, what about means 1, 0, -1, that's it. Range contains only 3 elements. Only 3 elements of the codomain. Their pre-image exists in domain, but not other numbers. If you take 5 in here in codomain, not domain, mind it. Codomain, you take any x value here in domain here, any x value. If you take here 5 is here you get 1. So domain x equal to 5 means f of 5 1. If 5 is mapping with 1, not 5 is mapping with 5. X equal to 6, f of 6 1, because 6 is greater than 0, like that. F of -2, negative means -2 is less than 0. Less than 0 means then range value -1. F of -2 -1. Here -2 is mapping with -1, that's it. Other than these 3 elements, 1, -1, 0, you take any element in the codomain, prove that it is not onto. Direct line writing statement. For 5 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist its pre-image element x in R domain, such that f of x equal to 5. For getting a range value here 5, you take x value, any value, do not get f of x equal to 5. For satisfying f of x equal to 5, x value does not exist. Therefore, it is not onto. Well, it is not 1, 1, not onto means hence f is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Got it? We can easily prove that. Easy problem. Here 1 you observe here f of 1 is greater than 0 means here. Greater than 0 means range value 1 here. F of 2 here. 2 is greater than 0. Then what about here? Range value 1. 2 is greater than 0. Then the range value 1. Therefore, here f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to 1. But here domain elements 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, it is not 1, 1. Next, onto alternative method. Range function contains only 3 elements here. 1, 0, -1. Range contains. But here codomain is real number. Range function equal to codomain means it is onto. Here clearly this set it is not equal to real number codomain. Therefore range function is not equal to codomain. Therefore it is not onto. Or other than here 1, 0, -1, you take any real number in the codomain, prove that it is not onto. For 5 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist an element means pre-image element x in our domain, such that f of x equal to here this 5. Therefore, it is not onto. So it is neither 1, 1 not onto. The next problem. Twelfth problem. State whether the function state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bijective, justify your answer. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4. Solution. So you are given that function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. You state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bijective. Here we have to verify function is 1 1 onto or bijective. Bijective means function is both 1 1 and onto. And a function defined like that, f from R to R, domain is real number, codomain is real number, defined as f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. One thing pointed, not on point, very important. Here f from R to R defined by f of x equal to ax plus b. F of x equal to ax plus b means linear function. This is linear function. Domain is real number, function is linear function. Linear function which is of the form f of x equal to ax plus b, your x coefficient a which is not equal to 0. Understood? When domain is real number means clearly such function is both 1 1 and onto. Clearly this function is both 1 1 and onto. Mind it. Very important one. Function is linear function and domain is real number. Here function is clearly ax plus b. Here ax plus b. Here a equal to minus 4, b equal to 3. Correct. Well, linear function, domain is real number means clearly it is 1 1 and onto. I am going to prove this both 1 1 and onto. Proving 1 1, let take elements. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 replacing x by x1, f of x1 this is equal to 3 minus 4x1. F of x2 replacing x by x2, f of x2 equal to 3 minus 4x2. Equating on both sides, 3 gets cancelled, then minus 4x1 equal to minus 4x2. Dividing by minus 4 on both sides, minus 4 gets cancelled, x1 equal to x2. F of x1 equal to f of x2 implies that x1 equal to x2 means clearly function is 1 1. So clearly this is linear function, and to prove that it is onto. Onto means one thing we need to go for codomain, and proving it is onto means take element in codomain. Let I am taking here. Let y belongs to, here in codomain is R here. R codomain, mention that right codomain. And f of x equal to a codomain element here y. Range means range is subset of codomain. What about f of x here? 3 minus 4x equal to y. Here we shall find x value. Minus 4x equal to y. Plus it by taking this side become minus 3. Then x equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 4. Here I am taking minus common factor in numerator. Here minus common remaining plus 3. In plus minus common remaining minus y divided by minus 4. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 minus y divided by 4. One thing mind it, denominator value non-zero means clearly y you take any real number, then total number is a real number. Mind it. Here y belongs to R, codomain means y is a real number. Here y you take any real number, denominator is non-zero, then clearly ratio will be real number. Then what about x value means it belongs domain, this is x means domain is real number. This ratio again a real number, domain. So now finally statement for every type, because proving it is onto, for every element of codomain, for every y belongs to our codomain, there exists an element. There exists an element means x value. X equal to 3 minus y divided by 4 belongs to our domain, such that substitute this x value in a given function here. This x value f of x equal to 3 minus y by 4 equal to 3 minus here 4 into x value substitute 3 minus y by 4 into this means 4 gets cancelled, 3 minus of 3 minus y, 3 minus into 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus. This is y. F of x equal to y means clearly function is onto. Clearly this function is 1 1 and 2 means clearly function is bijective. F is bijective. Bijective function is both 1 1 and onto. Mind it, the given function is linear function. Clearly domain is real number. Mind it, domain is real number, given function is linear function means clearly such function will be both 1 1 and onto. Let's take f of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 means replacing x by x1. We know that 3 minus 4x1. F of x2 replacing x by x2. F of x2 equal to 3 minus 4x2. Equating on both sides, 3 gets cancelled. Minus 4x1 equal to minus 4x2. Minus 4 gets cancelled. X1 equal to x2. Therefore, function is 1 1. Onto means let us y belongs to our codomain and f of x equal to y. F of x value 3 minus 4x. Here find x value minus 4x equal to y. By taking right side, plus 3 become minus 3. Then x equal to y minus 3 divided by minus 4. Here taking minus common. Here minus common means remaining plus 3. Here in plus minus common means remaining minus y. Minus gets cancelled. 3 minus y by 4. Here y is a real number means 3 minus y again a real number divided by non-zero number means total ratio again a real number. Your domain is real number. It belongs to our domain. Final statement, for every y belongs to our codomain, there exists an pre-image element x equal to 3 minus y divided by 4 belongs to our domain, such that substitute x value this is 3 minus y by 4. F of 3 minus y by 4 is equal to, similar on right side, 3 minus 4 into x value here. X value substituting 3 minus y by 4. 4 gets cancelled. 3 minus of 3 minus y. 3 here minus 3 minus into minus plus y. This is 3 minus gets cancelled. Y. Clearly it is onto. Clearly it is 1 1 and onto. Clearly it is both 1 1 and onto means clearly it is bijective. Now we go for next problem, 13th problem. State whether the following function is 1 1 onto or bijective. Justify your answer. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Give that f from R to R defined by f of x equal to 1 plus x square. So what type of factor it is means where quadratic function, clearly f of x equal to 1 plus x square. Quadratic function means clearly it is of the form f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Got it here. Here x square coefficient a is not equal to 0. X square coefficient 1 not equal to 0. Clearly it is quadratic function. Okay. Mind it. Quadratic function, here clearly domain is real number means clearly mind it. It is not 1 1, not and 2. Function here f from R to R, domain is real number. Your function is quadratic function. Then function is not 1 1 and not and 2. Mind it. So it is neither 1 1 not and 2. Here we shall prove that it is not 1 1 not and 2. Mind it. How to prove is it contains square term. Already we have seen this type of problem. Take same numbers. Suppose 1 again 1 means with opposite signs plus 1 minus 1. 2 if you take means plus 2 minus 2. 3 means plus 3 minus 3 like that. Here x equal to 1 I am taking here first. Here x equal to 1. 1 plus here x equal to 1. 1 square. 1 plus 1 2. Here x equal to minus 1. 1 plus here x equal to minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 plus 1 2. Okay. Two elements of the domain 1 and minus 1 here. 1 minus 1 elements of the domain have the same image element 2. 1 is mapping with 2, minus 1 is mapping with 2. Means it is not 1 1. Therefore, f of 1 equal to f of minus 1 is value 2. Two ranges are equal. Here each value 2. But what about domain here? 1 and minus 1. 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, f is not 1 1. So now prove that it is not onto me. See, the range what about 1 is positive x square. X square means x square value is always non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Means what about range value? Clearly non-negative. Non-negative. Therefore you take any one negative real number in codomain or minus 2 or minus 3 or minus 1. You take any number, prove that it is not onto. Suppose if you take here minus 2 or you can take minus your wish. Suppose minus 2 here. Take like this. Proving not onto means take one particular element. Now minus 2 belongs to where? Codomain. Codomain and f of x equal to this codomain element minus 2. F of x value here we have 1 plus x square equal to minus 2. Find x value. X square equal to minus 2. Shifting right side plus 1 become minus 1. Then what about x square equal to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then x equal to plus or minus root of minus 3. Root of negative values will not be a real number. Clearly it is a complex number. It doesn't belongs to domain R. Therefore it is not onto. Finally statement. For minus 2 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist an element x in our domain such that f of x equal to 1 plus x square equal to here minus 2. Therefore, f is not onto. Clearly, not 1 1, not onto means clearly. Hence, f is neither 1 1 not onto. Prove that it is not 1 1 like this. Take 1 and minus 1 here. Here f of 1 you get 2. F of minus 1 here. X equal to minus 1. 1 plus x equal to minus 1. 1 plus 1 2. F of 1 equal to f of minus 1 equal to 2. Same range element. But your domain elements 1 is not equal to minus 1. Therefore, function is not 1 1. Your range minded. Your 1 is positive x square non-negative. Therefore, take negative real number in codomain. Either minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now minus 2 belongs to our codomain. And f of x equal to this codomain element minus 2. F of x 1 plus x square equal to minus 2. X square equal to minus 2. Shifting right side this become minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Then x equal to plus or minus square root of minus 3. Square root of minus 3, it is not a real number. Not a real number, doesn't belong to domain. Finally, statement. For minus 2 belongs to our codomain, there does not exist an element x in our domain such that f of x equal to 1 plus x square equal to minus 2. For satisfying this condition, x value does not exist in domain. Therefore, it is not onto, hence it is neither 1 1 nor onto.